This guest tonight is one of the best-selling musical artists in the world. Her latest album, Queen, dropped on Friday. Please welcome Nicki Minaj. So nice to have you on.
It's so exciting to be here. I watch you all the time. I'm obsessed with you.
You're funny.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're fast and you're funny.
Thank you.
And you've got a lot to be happy about these days because you just, on Friday, this album dropped right here.
Yes.
Congratulations. It's called Queen.
Well, you know what?
Well, you've got one of your songs, Barbie Dreams. Okay, is getting a lot of attention.
Yeah.
Okay, which is, as songs should, get a lot of attention.
Yeah.
This one's getting a lot of attention for some of the famous men you call out. But I noticed that I'm not on the list of men. It's pretty comprehensive.
Right.
It's a pretty comprehensive list. And I'm just curious that if I were to make the list, how might you inform me?
I would say, I might Steven after the show. He gonna come back to work with a magical glow, but...
Are we still broadcasting?
I wasn't done, Steven.
All right.
And then the ending says, but when you see us, please don't stare. Just address me as Queen Nicki.